Experiment number 1, assembly language programming of 8085 addition. Okay, so assembly language is using 8085 microprocessor. Here, to perform the 8-bit addition using 8085 microprocessor, this is the program. Okay, so address, mnemonics and opcode. Okay, we enter mnemonics or opcode. Here we enter the opcode only. So first address is 4000. Okay, mnemonics LXI space H comma 5000H. So corresponding opcode, so 21. Next address, so automatically will show, so 4001. So corresponding opcode 00. 4002 means is a 50 opcode. Next to 4003 mnemonics move A comma M, opcode 7E. Next address 4004 mnemonics INX space H, opcode 23. Next address 4005 mnemonics move B comma M. Next opcode 46. Address 4006 mnemonics ADD space B, opcode 80. Address 4007 mnemonics INX space H, opcode 23. Address 4008 mnemonics MOV space M comma A, opcode 77. Then address 4009, so halt HLT, then corresponding opcode 76. Okay, that's the program.
Open data stored at two consecutive location using 8085 microprocessor. Here we add any two numbers, okay, using the 8085 microprocessor kit. This is a 8-bit microprocessor. Okay, so we are giving this opcode as an input. Okay, so basically this is address, this is mnemonics, this is operand, and this is opcode. This is the explanation of the program. Okay, so mnemonics is one of input of this microprocessor, and opcode is another one input. Okay, so we are choose any one. Here we are choosing is the opcode. Okay, this is the input of the microprocessor kit. We are giving opcode. Okay, first address is 4000. Okay, so if sub 4000. Okay, this is the first address. Then put next. Next address we continue is 4001. Okay, its corresponding this opcode is 00. So type 00. The next 50. Next opcode address 4002. So 4002 is 5 and 0. Next address 4003, opcode 7E. Next, okay, 4003 address 7E. Okay. Next address 4004, opcode 23. Then next 4004 is opcode 23. Next address 4005, opcode 46. Next, so next opcode 4 4006 opcode 80. So next address 4006 opcode 80. Okay. Next address 4007 opcode 23. Next 4007 opcode 23. Next address 4008 opcode 77. Next, so 4008 opcode 77. Next address 400976 is the final opcode and final address. So next 4009 is the next opcode 7 and 6. Okay. Then so that's all. Then give next. Then reset. Okay, the program is over. Then giving two inputs. Okay, for addition. So sub 5000. Okay, so 5000. Next, already default value is 3. We are modifying into 02. Okay, then next address 5001. Already default value in 02. Okay, so we are modifying in 06. Okay, next and reset. Then execute the program. Starting address go 4000. Okay, then execute the then is the output. Okay, is 5002 is 09. We are giving two inputs. Okay, 04 and 05. Here is adding two factor 04 and 05 is finally 09. Okay, so address 5002 09. Okay, now I'm going to modify another one value. Reset and so modify the input sub 500. Okay, so already default value is 5. Now first input is 2. Okay, next, so second input is already stored in 4. Okay, now I'm giving 1. Okay, so now 2 and 1, so final output is 3. Okay, so next and reset. Then go starting address 4000. Execute the program and reset again. So sub the output 5002. Okay, so 5002. Okay, next. Okay, we are giving 1 and 2, so final output is 3. Okay, we are modifying the inputs. Reset. Okay, for example, so input address is 500. Input address is sub 5000. already default value is 2. Okay, now we are giving 3. Okay, and second address 5001, already default value 0 1. Okay, is previous value 03. Now we are giving 4. Okay, 04. So adding 5000 and 5001 address. Okay, so 3 and 4. Then next reset, then go starting address 4000, execute the program and reset, then sub. So the output is 5002. Next, the output is sub. Okay, this is the concept of adding two values using 8085 microprocessor. Okay.